Well, I've just been given some good and bad news. Turns out Toothless is running a bit too rich, hence why he keeps throwing up his oil out at me. But nothing too serious, so that's good. It was just a simple oil change, plug in and simple oil change. But unfortunately I've got to get him remapped, because otherwise I'm going to f*** the engine up in the long run. Because what's happening is, because me and my mate installed the new exhaust, is the new exhaust is throwing fuel into the exhaust, and it's just creating the backfires that we all love. And unfortunately that's not good, because I'm wasting fuel and it's burning oil more. So I need to get him remapped ASAP, really, but unfortunately I don't have the moolah. I'm just going to sneak ahead now. Excuse me, coming through. That's what I need to do. Oh, hello. And I'm going to plop myself just here if you don't mind. Oh me, goodness gracious me, great balls of fire, I've left at the wrong time. I knew they weren't going to let you in, or you. I could sneak by alright actually, that's what I'm going to do. Excuse me. No one's holding me up. Peace. I see a car on my left. Is anyone letting them out? Because if they are, no, they're not. Good. Slowly does it. Look at all this space that I've got from all the people letting me through. Always a popo. Oh, look at all these legends. Way, I'd have seen you're going to do that without no fucking indication. Shit in hell.